Hey kings and queens, I'm here with another video, and this time we're going to be talking about HSV. Once a person has been infected with HSV, it moves to the skin cells, to the nerve cells, and stays there, and it lies dormant. It's in a dormant state. So when people say that you can get rid of it, you can keep it at bay. You can't cure it because it lies dormant in the nerves. So let's get into this video real quick. So right now I've already added in the beeswax. I put 2 tablespoons of beeswax in, and now since that has melted, I am going to go ahead and add in my shea butter, which is going to be 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna let that melt, and then we're gonna talk about the herbs that I used. Okay, usually I have the herbs out, but I wanted this to be a quick video, and I'm gonna have all the herbs listed below. So this oil right here is the oil that I'm gonna be using for the cold sores and genital sores. So what it all has in it. Okay, so in this jar right here, I have olive oil, lemon balm, chickweed, red marine algae, oregano, and licorice root, and lysine. And you can see some of it in there. You can, and look at that. This is double infused. So when y'all know, I told y'all before, I believe in a strong infusion. So most of the time I double infuse most of my oils. So, and what that means when you double infuse, hey, turn it down a little bit. Because it's bubbling up. Okay, so what that means when you double infuse is to strain all the herbs out, keep the oil, and then add more herb into it. So you're going to get a very strong herb, and that's what I like to do. So that's what I have in this jar. Now, I didn't add all of my oils in it. This right here, what I did, I strained some other oil that I had. And you see that beautiful green color in this here. This is the same oil, okay? Now, what I normally add in is neem oil, and I add in vitamin E, and I also add in oregano, and bin oil, and tea tree oil. Now this is after I pour this in, I add all this, because neem is very strong, bin oil is strong, oregano oil is strong, and this is oregano essential oil and tea tree essential oil. So I'm going to go ahead and add in this oil here. We're just going to let this melt, and once this melts, that's when I'm going to go ahead and add the other oil to it. Now, I came up with this, a family member, she was really down, and this is normally a happy, upbeat person that nobody knew what was wrong with her. And we had a talk, and she told me that she had been diagnosed with genital sores. So I told her it wasn't the end of the world, but that's easy for me to say if I'm not experiencing it. So what I did, I decided to go do some research, and instead of band-aiding it, it's like putting a band-aid on a gunshot wound. If you don't address it from the inside, you're going to keep getting them. You can put the salve on it all day long, but you also need to address it from the inside, which I came up with a tea as well as a salve for that. And I plan on doing that video too. But you can see it's melting, and we want to get that good and melted. Seems to be taking a little longer than I thought. This is the first time me using this, so I normally do it on the stove when I'm not doing videos. So it's slowly but surely melting, but so it's normal to feel a level of disassociation from your body, especially after the first time being diagnosed. Your mental health plays a huge role in the body's ability to ward off outbreaks. Okay, so everybody knows that you get one if you're stressed out. Looks like it's melting. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the neem. Turn it down a little bit. Add in some of this neem oil. This something gets hot. And I'm only gonna use a half of a tablespoon of neem oil, okay? And I'm gonna move this out the way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the bin oil. And then from there, I am going to add in the oregano oil. And these are all antiviral. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this off before I add in the vitamin E and tea tree oil. Hold on. Safety first. Okay. All right. Just gonna wipe the bottom off. And I'm going to set it down here. Okay, put these lids on here first before I... Alright, so now we're going to add in the vitamin E. Then we're going to add in the tea tree oil. Sweet baby Jesus. Oh, that's not even full, but we don't need the full thing anyway. But we all know that neem oil is very strong. So I'm going to use a nice little couple of drops of the tea tree oil to kind of cover up the smell of the neem oil. But that neem oil is very important in this mixture, okay? So I'm going to stir this around a little bit. And then I'm just going to add this, pour this back in here. And then we're just going to start pouring it in. Filled up. Move that over just a tad. Get out the way. And these are some of the salves that I have got to get packaged. And I thought I would share this recipe while I was doing it, which this is a new product for my line, Phoenix Lean Health and Beauty. And Herbs for Ailment is under Phoenix Lean Health and Beauty, which is where most of my salves and herbs and all the medicinal plants are located. And I can smell the tea tree and a little bit of that neem, but like I said, this is very important, as well as the lemon balm, okay? And the lysine and the red marine algae. Those are things that will dry it up quick and heal it quick, because this is what worked for her. I'm not saying that this will work for everybody, and I'm not saying if you're on prescription medication to stop taking it, but all natural is the best way to go. The best way to go. And once it cools off, I will come back and show you what it looks like. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel.